How you doing today?
Howdy.
Nice weather today.
Yes, it really is nice.
Can you hear me for 1 second? Look at 790.25, section 3, subsection H.
Are you gonna leave the park?
I need to call my lawyer.
I'm asking you.
I need legal advice.
to leave the park.
I'm telling
You
you.
trespass from the park, or are you gonna leave the park?
If you trespass me and you want to start writing up that,
I don't need your permission because this is a public place, an auditor asserts, while facing local Karens and service weapons. This filming is protected by the First Amendment, while open carry during fishing is shielded by the Second Amendment. However, in Titusville, police still issued illegal trespass warnings, ignoring the preemption law, FS 790.33. This mirrors the landmark case Sylvester v. Harris, where courts arbitrated between public safety and firearm rights. Who truly holds the power in these moments? The one with the gun, the badge, or the camera? What would happen if you were the next one trespassed from your own public park? Hit subscribe to join ID Refusal in decoding legal boundaries and protecting your rights.
Oh, I'm just getting all the license plates and faces coming out of the parking lot today.
Why?
I can't disclose that right now.
What are you working for?
Oh, my boss.
Who's your boss?
I can't disclose that.
Okay, I don't want to be on film.
I don't need your permission, though.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
Why?
Because that's not a law.
Okay. Whatever. Enjoy.
Look how many cars got stacked up just because. Look, dude. Oh, look at this guy.
Hey, why you putting my car?
This guy went out of the parking lot
Why you putting the car?
and it stopped just to confront me. Everyone, he could just move on with his day. Then he stopped and getting upset. Someone called the cops. Somebody's an idiot. I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
I was just saying, you know they're gonna try to come and tell you to leave, and then you have no reason to leave because it's First Amendment.
Yeah.
They're public property. It's gonna be funny.
Who called?
I think lots of people have called.
Really?
To be honest.
I'll figure out when I do a public records request.
Yeah. And if they know what the law is, they're not gonna tell you, right?
That's right.
That's cool. I'm gonna go back to the other ones. This is simply
How you doing today?
Howdy.
Nice weather today.
Yes, it really is nice.
So just out here exercising your rights again, correct?
Something like that.
Something like that, okay. Which rights are you exercising?
What do you think?
I don't know, that's why I'm asking you. We have a lot of rights.
Well, I can record
Yeah.
public places, so that's what I'm doing.
Okay, right. I was just curious which right you thought that was. Because it actually could fall under several rights. Not playing a joke on you, it just can. So, you're more than welcome to do that. Do me a favor. I noticed when I was pulling up, you kind of staggered a little bit into the drive area. Just make sure you're on the sidewalk, okay? You understand?
I hear you.
All right. Thank you very much.
In the state of Texas, capturing visual images from a vantage point where the public has a lawful right to be present does not constitute a criminal offense. The officer quickly evaluates that there is no reasonable suspicion to initiate an investigative detention or demand identification under state statutes. Consequently, the law enforcement agent merely advises the videographer to remain on the sidewalk to avoid potential traffic obstruction charges before peacefully terminating the encounter.
Thank you. And he just hit the dude. Just hit the dang light pole. That's crazy.
What are you doing?
I'm just taking some video.
Why?
Oh, I can't disclose that at this time.
Why not?
Is there a reason why you're on your phone while driving?
Yeah, because you're filming people.
Yeah, but that's a crime. You can't be on the phone while you drive. That's dangerous. And you just hit the light pole.
I know I did.
Maybe you shouldn't have gotten your license.
Why are you wearing a mask?
It's not your business. Why are you wearing a vest?
The driver places himself in severe legal jeopardy by committing an operational traffic violation directly in front of the lens. Distracting himself to monitor the videographer resulted in a physical collision with a light pole, which constitutes unsafe operation of a motor vehicle. While aggressively threatening law enforcement intervention and demanding privacy, this individual remains oblivious to the fact that there is no reasonable expectation of privacy while operating on public roadways.
You already asked that. I'm clearly videoing.
But why?
I don't have to answer that question. Why are you out here?
Because I live in this town.
Okay. Why do you drive a Honda?
You know, you're making me uncomfortable.
Then just go away. Shoo. Shoo.
You're in a public place.
Yeah, if you're uncomfortable, then you can go away.
Why don't I call the cops?
You can do that. You go ahead and call them.
Okay. I live in this town.
Call them and I'll show them you on your phone while you're driving. So that'd be nice, running that. But go ahead and call them then.
Do you have any right to be here? Filming people publicly? Why are you doing? I mean, who are you? Are you comfortable telling me your name? Why are you hiding your identity doing this publicly? It's a very bizarre thing to do. To just film people constantly while covering up your identity. So it makes me uncomfortable. And that's why I filmed you, and that's why I'm gonna call the cops.
So he's calling the police after he was on the phone while driving and just hit the light pole. And I'm the one doing something wrong. They're gonna give him an over-the-phone education because that's probably what's gonna happen. And they're gonna come again. He just did shooting hands at me. So over a camera, he would want to shoot me. That's great.
Mind if I talk to you for a minute?
What do you want to talk to me about? I thought you were uncomfortable.
It does make me uncomfortable.
Then why are you still here? If it's so uncomfortable.
Because I believe in talking to people about things that they're doing which are making people uncomfortable.
It's good. Being uncomfortable isn't against the law or anything, or making people uncomfortable.
You mind telling me your name?
I'm not going to share that. I can't disclose that at this time.
Why are you wearing a mask?
Because I want to. Why are you wearing a hat?
Because I believe it's a good thing to do.
Well, what if I believe wearing a mask is a good thing to do?
I would argue against wearing a mask. I would argue for wearing a hat. They're not the same thing.
Okay. So what did the police tell you?
I said that they've talked to you, determined that you're not doing something illegal. What's the purpose of this?
I can't disclose it at this time.
Why not?
Oh, it's my boss. My boss said I can't do that. I have to just come out here and get the license plates and everything.
Why are you getting people's license plates?
That's just my boss. He just tells me what to do.
Where do you work?
Oh, I can't disclose that.
Why are you covering your identity and getting people's license plates and putting people's information?
Because my boss told me to.
What kind of company do you work for?
I can't disclose that.
Do you want to talk about your situation? Do you need help?
I don't need any help. I mean, actually, you could go get me a water or something. It's getting kind of hot. It's starting to warm up.
I don't feel like I should condone what you're doing or assist you in doing it. I mean, do you feel like is there something that you're required to do that you don't know how not to do? Or you don't see a way out of it?
I don't really understand that question.
Is your employment situation one that you feel like you have to be a part of, but you don't, because you don't know how to do something else?
No, it's just my boss. I just got to do what my boss says, that's all.
There are other ways to make a living. You need help finding a different way to make a living. I could help you think through that.
I'm good for now.
Are you aware of the fact that doing this makes other people uncomfortable?
I mean, whatever it does, I can't control that. If they get uncomfortable because of a camera, I don't know what to tell them. I'd wonder if they're uncomfortable if from the cameras inside of the stores, the cameras at the lights, and then the cameras all over the place at the bank. You know, I'd wonder if they're uncomfortable from those cameras as well.
Maybe. Doesn't really make a difference.
Right, it's just a camera at the end of the day. All it does is show what people do.
Yeah, but it's a little bizarre to have somebody randomly recording things on the side of the street.
Well, I think it's a little bizarre for someone to be on their phone while driving and then run into a pole. But that's just my opinion.
Yeah, I didn't see it as clearly as I should have. Should have been more careful, but it doesn't seem that I damaged the pole. So I don't think it's the same thing. Well, it sounds like you're not gonna change, so I'm just gonna leave now.
All right.
Video 1 teaches that public filming is a constitutional right. Stay calm and know the law to protect yourself against negative citizen reactions or incorrect police interference. Next, we will witness a dramatic confrontation in Florida, where the right to open carry while fishing is put to the test.
Howdy. Glock 23. I can't, you're too far, I can't, my right ear is a little. Yes, I can. Yes, I can. That's fine. They can all come out, and we'll all get educated. Welcome to Florida, bro. Welcome. Dude, I love the Keys, dude. I love coming down here. It's beautiful. Look at this water. But you're telling me I can't do this, right? Is that what you're telling me? I've been here all day and not bothering nobody, and then they come out. Yeah, I've been here for what, 2 hours? Yeah. At least? But it's lawful. Hey, no. Hey, excuse me, officers. Can you hear me for 1 second? Look at 790.25, section 3, subsection H. Look up that law before you come out here, please. Oh, you know? Can you explain to him? Hi. Hey, excuse me, officer, sir. The same reason you get to openly carry your firearm is the same reason I get to openly carry my firearm. Yes, ma'am. I'm not here. I have no ill will, okay?
In jurisdictions with strict frameworks regarding firearms, law enforcement frequently exploits public ignorance to conduct unlawful investigative detentions. The citizens' unwavering stance, demanding that the officers educate themselves on the statutes before taking action, completely flips the leverage, forcing the authorities to retreat and reevaluate their jurisdiction.
I have no ill will. What's up? How are you?
Another beautiful thing.
Hey man, as long as y'all are living the dream, and that's what I'm talking about, man. I did. I caught 3 yellowtail that were all about this big. Okay. Not legal though. And then I caught a couple grunts and a couple pigfish. That's about it.
Fair enough, brother.
Yeah, it's not a bad day.
Make sure you follow them.
Yeah, you're scaring people.
Hey, look, I sat at the end of that pier for almost.
Got a fish. Got a fish.
Had a fish. Whoa, I'm trying to get that away from you. Sorry about that. He was biting again. But anyway, yes, I get people are gonna call. Okay. You know, and I get it. And all I would say is, if we can inform them, you know, I get it, and I know, trust me, I know, and that's, and if anybody would approach me, and I talked to a couple, and I was like, hey, under the law, 790.25, section 3, subsection 8, I do, and I'm not, and you.
Hey, listen, we're all about it. We support. You know,
I appreciate it. I really appreciate it. You know, nobody came out here with their guns drawn. Nobody was trying to. I think the deputy here is just a little informed, you know, and I that's why I was trying to. I know, and I was trying to be respectful. Go ahead. I know, and I was being respectful.
Who you are, or what you're capable of, or what
right.
you're gonna do.
And I was being very respectful.
I had 5 people call in, and I had 5 concerned citizens that are concerned about what.
Hey,
we've got a few calls.
Hey, I get it. So we're talking Monroe County, right? Save that picture because I'm going to be requesting it. And then Key West Police, you've gotten calls as well. So,
yes, sir.
All right, perfect.
Like I said, man, you know, we
I get it. I
told it. It's just,
hey,
you know, people
I know.
We got to show up and we got to investigate.
I mean, you can always just sit in the parking lot, watch me fish for a couple hours, and then you know, and that would have been the end of it, you know. But
you catch a big fish.
right now, I'm thinking.
I'm going for you.
I'm thinking I might have to move because they're, like I said, everybody's been catching little tiny babies.
There's a lot of people out here, and you know the movement.
Right, right.
Maybe if we go further back towards we're a little bit deeper, maybe.
I was. That's where I was catching all my fish at the tip over there. That's where I was catching them all. But
I've seen some big sharks back there.
and then I saw this guy catch a fish, and I was like, he's been catching snapper, and I'm like, sweet. I'm like, maybe I'll stick here.
Nighttime is usually better. I do tell you that.
Yeah. Well,
daytime, you know.
unfortunately, I only get a day and a half, so I'm gonna finish my day down here in the Keys and try to catch. Way north.
Okay.
About 3 hours, 4 hours.
Okay, fair enough, bro. Hey, no problem. Listen,
no, I appreciate
enjoy
it.
Fishing. I hope you catch a lot of fish. Follow the fish regulations.
Yeah, absolutely. I know how they are down here. If you're like a millimeter under, they're like, nope.
Yeah.
Yep, you're done.
Ticket and,
Yeah.
You'll even go to jail for a fish.
Yeah. There's no point in that.
So, you know, keep exercising your rights. Like I said,
I appreciate it. No, I try to. Like I said, I wasn't trying to get loud with him. I just couldn't hear him, so I had to make sure he could hear me because he was telling me something. And I was like, hey,
no problem.
you know, whatever. But
Though, like,
I do, and you know something. When people see you, are they scared?
well, that's a little different.
It should be no different. And that's what I'm trying to make this more
We've
right.
spoken to you before.
But like if we can make this more normal,
We're not going to make it normal. It's not-
why?
Because
Why?
individuals look at a uniform, they have a sense of maybe security.
But you know, sometimes I see a
uniform on, they're struggling to understand that.
Look at me. I'm the most casual looking person that's not doing anything.
Casual to an extent, but
But see, that's why we have to. That's why I'm trying to make that disconnect. I'm trying to let the people know that not everybody that has a gun is a bad person. And
we understand.
We agree. We understand.
see,
right.
I told you I was getting bites. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you. And what was your name?
Katie.
Katie, and yours? Elliot. Nice to meet you. Oh, he got off. No. Hey, I almost touched it. But y'all have a good one. I don't have any ill will. If anybody calls, just let them know the guy's out there just expressing his right.
We're going to come talk.
We got to respond, unfortunately.
Well,
it's
yeah.
part of, you know, we got to do what we got to
We
do.
don't really have an option.
Yeah.
We have to.
No, I bet. Like, have you ever heard of Warren versus District of Columbia? It's a federal case law that says the police have no obligation to protect the public. So if that's the case at federal,
That may be at federal level, but at our level,
Right.
we actually have
You're-
policy and procedure, and there's state law.
right. But your oath has nothing in your oath says
I make
to protect.
confession, all
Yeah,
right?
you know.
Take care, brother.
Have a good one. Thank you for being very cordial. Thank you.
Video 2 confirms that open carry while fishing in Florida is legal. You should cite specific statutes to control the situation. Always maintain a polite yet firm attitude to educate law enforcement officers on your rights. Don't look away, because coming up next is the moment a police officer defies state law to issue a highly controversial and illegal trespass warning.
Hey sir, how you doing?
No, not him.
Nice to meet you. I'm just coming over to conduct a resource inspection, okay? Resource inspection, I'm looking at your license. Yeah, well, yeah. So you were told I thought you were with him.
I told you, Sergeant Anderson. I thought what he was doing.
No, my fault. I thought you were with him.
I told you. All right.
Hey, how you doing?
Just do your job, man.
How you doing?
Thank you, sir. You guys are pretty nice. I'm sorry.
You're all right. I thought you said that, dude.
No, I thought it was an orange shirt. It's more coral on the pier with the other rifle.
So this gentleman was with them? Hey, sir. How you doing? Officer Navarino, FWC.
Okay, perfect, great, man.
That's
Awesome. We've already been through this. They already checked my fishing license.
Oh, that's okay. Like I said, I'm FWC, okay, so I'm just conducting a resource inspection on you. You got your fishing license?
I already did. I already gave that to the.
Okay,
You didn't give it to me.
I'm a
I have not
different entity, okay? I just want to make sure that you don't have any illegal fish, anything like that.
Yeah. You want to search my bag?
You got any fish in there?
Yep.
No fish?
I haven't caught a thing, dude. I've got friggin'. You know as much as I do with these guys hanging around these porpoises. I'm not catching nothing today. But anyway,
Hey.
if you want to violate my Fourth Amendment right, I'm gonna step back and I'm gonna let you search my bag. Stand right here, buddy.
Hang on, no, come here real quick. Look, you don't have to be rude to me. Listen.
I'm not being rude. I'm
Listen,
letting
listen.
you. I'm allowing you to violate my rights.
Okay, first off, for FWC, how it works is we're allowed to search
You're allowed
anything.
to search, right?
We're
I'm
allowed-
allowing you to. I'm allowing you.
Hang on. At first, though, I just want to see your fishing license, okay? I wanna
I've
make
already, I've already disclosed that to all these officers.
Okay, listen, sir.
Not to me.
How I'm going to
Right
explain
now,
to you that one more time,
Right
okay?
now.
I'm a different entity. I am here to conduct a resource inspection on you, okay?
I have given. I am on a live stream right now.
That's okay, sir. As I explained to you, will you please provide me with your fishing license?
I have. It's on my phone.
Okay. Can
Okay.
you please show me it?
136 Patterson.
I'm not trying to beat you up or do.
This sequence exposes a specialized legal tactic frequently deployed in the United States when a citizen engages in the lawful open carry of a firearm. The FWC officer utilizes his unique statutory resource inspection authority as a pretext to initiate contact and compel an investigation, an action standard police officers cannot execute without independent reasonable suspicion. The simultaneous presence of surrounding Titusville PD units signals a coordinated effort to exert psychological leverage over the individual.
Anything negative here, sir. I'm just trying to conduct resource inspection.
All right,
You know
everybody.
me.
Hey, everybody on the live stream. I'm in Titusville PD. This live stream's about to cut out because I have to show my fishing license that I've already produced to the law enforcers that came out to inspect it. So at this point, everybody, stay tuned. I will be back live. Man, you guys are a bunch of aggressive guys trying to surround me. Are you captain?
I am not captain.
Are you the deputy or the chief? Okay, perfect. Hey, buddy.
You've already turned that off. He's asking for your.
I'm working on it, buddy.
license. Okay.
I'm trying to ask. I'm not talking to you.
Hey, okay.
I'm good, man. I wasn't talking to this guy. I'm talking to you, and I'm talking to the chief right now.
Can we just keep it pleasant, please?
I am keeping it
All
pleasant.
right. I'm just saying, there's no need. Listen, I know
You guys have been here for over friggin' an hour for a guy that's been out here legally doing something lawful.
I know you're allowed to do that. Okay.
Fish, salt water.
Okay,
to
so will
21.
you scroll up for me real quick?
There's my print number.
Okay, hang on. Okay.
And there's my customer ID number.
Yeah. Okay, so Michael Taylor. No,
you just.
No, excuse me. Can you please pull back up? Thank you. Michael Taylor, 72129. Alright, hang on. Saltwater, you have 2421, and you have the.
I have all.
Oh, yeah, you do have
I'm good.
You're good? Okay,
Now,
so, just
now,
like I said, just
we're good? We're
do
good?
you have any.
I don't want to talk to you no more.
Do you.
I want
Alright,
to talk to
hold
the
up.
chief.
No. You're not going to say that to me, okay? You're going to listen to me. When I'm conducting a resource inspection, you do not cut off.
Check my bag.
Do you have any fish in the bag?
No.
Okay.
I want to speak to
I
the
have
chief.
your
Go
consent
check.
to search the bag.
If you want to violate my Fourth Amendment right by searching my bag for fish that I do not have, go for it. Chief, can
Give
you
you permission.
Give you permission.
Give you permission.
trespass somebody from a public area that has committed no crime? I'm asking you, and you're being on recorded. I want to know if you can trespass somebody from a public area.
Well, that's a very broad.
Right over there, right behind your court, right behind you. On that fishing side, if I was fishing on that side of the bridge, can you trespass me from that side of the bridge? Yes or no?
Sir,
Yes or no?
No fish in the bag.
do you realize?
Yes or no? Yes or no, sir? I don't care about your explanations. I want to know if you can trespass me from that side or right here off this pier.
Sir, I'm more concerned with you right here, right
I'm not
now.
doing nothing to nobody. I've been out here for friggin'
Sir,
over.
I'm just gonna tell you, you're good on your resource inspection,
buddy.
okay?
Appreciate
Your
it,
license is valid. No fish in the bag. Thank you. I
Have a
appreciate your
great
time.
day.
Okay.
See you later, bud.
You take care. Appreciate it.
Yep.
So the answer is yes. You can.
You can trespass me. Can you trespass me from right here?
Yes.
On a
As a matter of fact.
Is that what we're about to go
it's
through?
Funny you say that.
Hey, hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm not reaching for a gun. I'm reaching to call my lawyer right now. I want to get my lawyer on the phone because I need legal advice because right now that's where we're
Mr. Taylor,
at.
are you going to leave the park?
I need to call my lawyer.
I'm asking
No,
you
no,
to
no.
leave the
It's
park.
I need
You're
legal
being told
advice.
to leave the park.
I'm telling you.
Trespass from the park, or are you going to leave the park?
If you trespass me and you want to start writing up that, and
But do you want to know why, sir?
yes, I do want to know why.
Because it's a county park.
It's a city, county,
There's
whatever
no
park.
firearms allowed in a county park.
Hey Eric,
Are you going to leave the park?
I've got
Mr. Taylor?
Titusville PD here, and they're telling me they're trespassing me from a public park, a county park, for open carrying right
Mr.
now.
Taylor, you've been advised to leave the park and to leave the premises immediately. If you do not leave the premises immediately, be placed under arrest.
I need to go ahead and get all your information, all of it, please.
Don't worry about Michael. Don't worry about it. Just get the trespass warning and send it to me when you leave, okay?
Okay, trespass warning, please. Hold on, I want you to be on the phone. Okay.
You gotta go fill it out.
Oh, Eric, do you want me to fill out the trespass warning? Perfect, thank you. I just want to clarify.
Hey, we need your Florida ID for that.
They're asking me for my Florida ID for that. Go ahead. Absolutely, no problem. Got you, bud. Just give me 1 second. I have to reel my fishing line in. You're still on speaker, and all right, reeling my fishing line in. So, how does it feel to violate your oath, bud? What's that feel like?
Listen to your attorney.
Yep.
No, I'm good, man. I was just asking him a question. I was asking him a question. That's all. Gotcha. Copy that. Remain silent. Heard that.
Ask him about utterances.
No.
Utterances.
Don't touch my property, man. I don't care about
Sliding down. I didn't want the flag to be hitting the ground.
Don't touch my property.
Okay.
That's the number one thing. Fourth Amendment violation, dude. Don't touch my property. Number one.
Oh, sorry.
I got it, though. No, I got it, man.
So I didn't mean to cut you off there.
No, I got him right now, man. I'm on phone. We're all good, man. I'm gonna shut up. Yep, I got this, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir. Officer Navarino.
Navarino?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
No problem, sir.
Hang on.
Safe.
Or it's gonna be.
Like I said, sir, I was just here to conduct the resource inspection.
I know. Resource inspection.
Mr. Taylor, what's your date of birth?
7/07/21/79. Do you understand what 790.33 says about preemption? Your city, county, towns cannot create firearm laws, and you're violating that, but it's okay. What else you need, buddy?
Do you identify as white, black, Hispanic, Asian?
Other.
Other? Okay.
Or you can write white, for all I know, because all I know is I have a white family, so I'm a white guy.
Oh, yeah. All right.
You live in Titusville?
Don't worry about where I live.
Okay. I was just, like I said,
I
it's
know,
nothing for that. I'm just trying to make conversation.
I'm trying to keep you out of this right now.
Hey, like I said,
you've done everything correctly. These guys are violating Constitution and Florida state law. So my suggestion, if you don't want to be involved with this,
like I said, I was just talking to this.
You don't have your ID with you?
No, I do not.
Is it a Florida driver's license?
Yes,
it's a Florida driver's
you
license.
You want the number?
Yep, I'll get it. Nope, it's all right. I'll get it.
I know the number.
I get it. No problem.
T.
115 teletype 5027. Yeah, the reason I was touching it is that's an American flag still, right? And it was heading towards the ground. I don't want it to touch the ground, right? Out of respect for that flag. That's why
I want to get through this.
I'm just waiting on some information to come back from them. That's no problem.
T is in Tango. 460-544.
544?
Correct. 79261-0. I can't tell you the expiration date of it, but I know it's 7/21 of I want to say 2025, but I may be wrong about the expiration on that.
Okay.
My driver, that's my
Are you going to want a copy of this?
Yes.
Okay. So I got a few more things I'm going to fill out for just a minute, so don't want to be detaining you.
It don't matter.
Okay. Do you need anything else from me?
I think I'm good, brother.
Okay.
I appreciate
Hey,
it.
man.
sir, have a great day, okay?
Thank you, man.
Take care.
I appreciate you at least trying to follow your oath, man, and doing by law.
Well, hey.
All these guys out here are not doing that great.
You have a great day. Hey, man, I hope
Appreciate
you get a gnarly fish, man.
Yeah, because I'm just gonna probably go right over there and do the same thing on that side of the bridge.
Hey, they're biting good at holdover, I'm telling you.
I hear that.
Have a good day.
Yeah, bud. Appreciate it. It's horrible, man. Horrible.
What are we digging for, my friend?
Cigarettes.
Cigarettes,
dude.
okay.
I wasn't out here trying to hurt nobody.
Yeah, but understand though, you are armed and agitated, right?
No. I'm happy as can be. Up until I friggin' had to give up all my Fourth Amendment rights. For
And then you became agitated?
No, I'm still not agitated. I don't like to have to give up my civil rights to please you when you don't know the law. That's your problem.
Okay.
Teletype 115.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
All right.
That means everything legal, right?
Okay. What's your height and weight?
Not important.
It's us for the form, man.
I don't.
Okay.
Hey, you can write whatever you feel and what
I'm
you.
just gonna put a hash mark through it, my friend. All right. Okay. Actually, let me get the case number for you, because I'm sure you're gonna want that.
You were here Sunday, weren't you?
No, I didn't work Sunday.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
You can put both myself.
Trust me, huh? I wasn't here on Sunday.
Yeah. I think I spoke to you Monday.
About what?
About an 8-year-old child being missing.
Oh yeah, you were calling up wanting all kinds of information. I told you, see your lawyer, you had him on file, man. You could just call him up and ask him about it.
I already knew about I could be here.
Okay. So why did you call and
because
do that?
I'm upset that on Sunday you trespassed somebody.
I didn't trespass anybody.
It wasn't you, but your department.
Okay.
They trespassed somebody.
115. Pass. Can I get the serial number, please?
41,692. 41692.
Backpass. What's the specific address out here at Parish Park?
1 A Max Brewer Memorial Parkway.
I appreciate that. It keeps blowing into my face.
Yeah, my bad. It's in my pocket, just so you know.
You're all right.
Not littering.
All right. Okay, so in accordance with section 810.08 and or 810.09 Florida Statute, you are hereby ordered to leave the above described premises immediately. If you remain on or return to the above described premises, you may be subject to arrest. This trespass warning remains in effect indefinitely. You understand that?
For how long?
Indefinitely.
Forever?
Forever.
Forever and ever?
Forever and ever and ever.
I can't wait till I come back.
If you remain on or return to the above described premises, you may be subject to arrest. This trespass warning remains in effect indefinitely, okay? That's forever. All right, it does not get lifted.
Forever. Forever. Forever.
I need my trespass rescinded.
It's already been rescinded.
Okay, can I get that on paper?
I don't have any paper to move on.
I need some way to inspect it so I have something, because I'm...
You were issued a paper trespass warning that day that you were out.
Correct.
There are 3 copies of that.
Correct.
You got 1 copy. Brevard Parks and Recs got a copy.
Right.
The 3rd copy came here. Yesterday, Brevard County Parks and Recs called up told us they wanted that trespass warning vacated.
Right.
That trespass warning was destroyed.
Yeah, I know, because I made the phone call that got them to call you.
Okay.
And if I'm about to go back to this park.
Okay.
And I've got tons of people sitting here. You see it. It's all documented. This guy's saying that our trespass has been rescinded. We are good. Who am I? You got it. Andrew Diaz.
Yes, sir.
And then.
Also been vacated.
Perfect.
Can't wait till I come back.
All right. If you do, you'll be placed under arrest.
I know.
All right. So just understand. There's a place here for initials and for you to sign. You don't have to do that, but if you would like to, you can.
I'm going to sign it only so that there's record of it.
Okay. So there's a place right there for initials, and then right here is for signature. All right. Okay. Got it. Here's your copy. All right.
You done?
Yep, you're done. You just got to leave the property, all right?
Gotcha.
All right.
Titusville 210, radio check. 10 for 135, 1013. 1328.
No, I'd have the cover off.
It's hotel 659.
I will now.
Based on what we just witnessed in the video, the most critical legal error made by the police officers lies in their coercion of the citizen to identify themselves without a solid legal basis. Under United States law, specifically the Fourth Amendment, which protects against unreasonable searches and seizures, police cannot compel a person to identify themselves unless they have reasonable articulable suspicion, RAS, that the person has committed, is committing, or is about to commit a crime. Merely filming in public or acting suspicious does not constitute RAS. When officers threaten arrest or use their authority to compel speech, in this case, compelling identification, without RAS, they have exceeded their authority and violated the Constitution.